Right, so now I'm going to make a little cauliflower pate. Right, so we take one cauliflower, I'm just going to cut it down. Just cut the ends off. Put that in a bowl somewhere. So, I'm going to cut the cauliflower into half, and then I'm going to cut it in half again. See that? So I'm going to use a quarter of a cauliflower. Save this one for another day. Okay, cauliflower. I have a grater, so I'm just going to grate the cauliflower. Just be a little bit careful so it doesn't fly everywhere. I've got cauliflower all over the place. It's a very messy vegetable sometimes. So there we go. Just get those few bits there and there. Lovely. Let's get rid of that bit. There's a few lumps there. Let's just get those through. Okay, so now we've got our grated cauliflower. Let's finish with the grater. Okay, that's lovely. Right now, I'm just going to just turn the pan on and get the heat on. Ready for pan frying ready for frying the cauliflower cake. Okay, so quarter of a cauliflower grated into our bowl. Like so. Right, there we go. Also into this bowl I'm going to add one egg, one whole egg. Drop that in. Lovely. And now I want to add one tablespoon of flour. It's plain flour, tablespoon. Drop that in. Lovely. And now, right, let's make sure that's on. We're heating that up now. I've got some salt. I'm just going to drop in there. So, a little bit of white pepper. Okay. And then I'm also going to use some flat leaf parsley. So we're just going to get some parsley. So again, just get it, we'll just pick some of those stalks off it. Lovely, jubbly. Okay, cool. And I'm just going to try and put it all together. And I'm just going to chop up. I want to do this one quite small. Just go over it. We'll just go over it a few times. Like so. Okay. The pan is heating up nicely. Okay. So we've got our bowl. We've got a chopped parsley. Drop that in. Like so. Okay. Now I just want to, just going to mix all these ingredients together. You've got cauliflower, one egg, 1 tablespoon of plain flour, and some parsley. Okay. Mix it, that's all coming together. So we're going to do a few, just see how that, just, right, get the pan hot. I'm just going to add a little bit more flour. Just slightly wet. Okay, so we'll do another another half a tablespoon of, so it's 1.5 tablespoons of plain flour. Let's give that another mix. Okay, it's looking a bit better. Okay. So now, right, the pan's hot. I just want to do, I'm not, do I do, I might, let's just have a look at this. So let's just do one of these in there, like so. Try and shape it slightly in the pan. There we go, there's one. Let's do another one. Two. See that in there? So I'm just shaping them slightly in the pan. Get them cooking off. Okay. Lovely jubbly. Right. So now the pan's started to heat up, they all started to get hot, they've started to crisp on one side. Just going to need something to flip them over with. So, look over here, what we got. Okay. Got a my little flipping device. Okay, so that's, you just have a look, it's slightly coloured. I'll just turn it over. Could have done it with a little bit longer. There we go. You just have to kind of judge it, you've got to kind of judge if it's cooked or not. Just check it, you know, have a look. Turn it over. Okay. This is a really simple cooking method for a little cauliflower cake. We could add other spices there if you so wish. Okay. Try not to use your fingers too much. See that? Cooking lovely. Doing well there. Let's have a look at the spoon. Oh, that's getting nice and crispy, that one. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. So you can see you've got a lovely golden colour on there now, the cauliflower. I'm just going to give them another couple of seconds on this side. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay. Now, oh yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Look at that. Oh yes. Oh yes. There we go. Really nice golden colour. So now I'm just going to take these out. There you go. Put them on a plate. One. Another one. Let's use this one here. Oh, look at that. God, it's so delicious. Golden. Okay, there we go. And there's the little cauliflower cakes. Beautiful. Let's just take one off. Give one a go. So look at that. That's cooked. Lovely. Very, very simple. Very, very quick to do. I'm pretty damn tasty.